Getting that this account can no longer use WhatsApp due to spam error on your iPhone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix it. Let's dive in. First, open the Safari browser. After that, tap on the address bar. Type WhatsApp support. Then tap Contact WhatsApp. Now, if you're using a WhatsApp Messenger account, then tap Contact Us under the WhatsApp Messenger support. Now, scroll down. Enter your WhatsApp number here. Then enter your email address in this field. Enter the email address again in the next field to confirm. Next, choose your device like an iPhone. Then scroll down again. Now, write your problem in this field like, "Hello, WhatsApp support team. My WhatsApp account has been banned. I believe this may be an error. I have always used WhatsApp responsibly. Please review and consider unbanning my account." Then make sure to include your name, email, and WhatsApp number at the end. Then WhatsApp support will review your appeal and then they will send you feedback within 3 to 7 days. That's how you can fix this account can no longer use WhatsApp due to spam error on your iPhone. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.